Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv, and today I'm gonna make for you another amazing keto recipe, because that's exactly what we're doing, all keto food, and hopefully changing your mind and expanding your horizon on what keto can do for you. Today is a cast iron chicken with a lemon cream sauce. I gotta tell you, first of all, not only is it simple, but the flavors are absolutely astounding. They're out of this world. So first, I'm gonna start with a chicken, obviously. This chicken has already been cut up, so I'm just gonna take it and throw this chicken right into a bowl. And then I'm gonna add in some seasonings to make it taste really good. The first thing is a little bit of olive oil, helps crisp everything up. A couple tablespoons help that out. I've got some cracked black pepper, and then I've got some kosher salt. Then all of the other stuff that make my food taste really, really good, okay? So I'm gonna start out with some ground fennel, because I just think ground fennel on meats and poultry and shoe leather, it all tastes good. I've got some garlic powder. Ground fennel's aunt is the onion powder. So I can mix this together and then arrange it in that cast iron skillet. Garlic and onion powder and fennel all massaged over all the chicken. And what I'm gonna do is just take some of the seasoning, that oil, and just put that right on top. All right, the oven is at 400 degrees. So I'm just going to pop this bad boy. It's a heavy one, ooh, right in here, and let the oven do all of the work. Meanwhile, let's get these vegetables ready to go. So you can put any number of vegetables that you want onto your platter for the oven. I'm gonna be using broccolini and fennel because I love the combination of the two. So I'm just gonna cut off the top of the fennel and cut off the bottom, woodsy end of the fennel. And then what you basically do is you cut the fennel into quarters, and there's a little stem right here. Then we can take our fennel and just give it a slice. All right, let's take this over to the sink and give this a rinse. Make sure you rinse off your vegetables good, right? All right, and then I've got a sheet tray that I can just go ahead and arrange all of my rinsed vegetables right on my sheet tray, just like this. And then we'll give that some seasoning. First order of business is a little bit of olive oil. All right, second order of business is a little bit of kosher salt. And third order of business is gonna be some black pepper. And then this goes off into a hot oven to cook until the vegetables are golden brown and tender on the inside. Here's what we're gonna do next. I've got a couple of cloves of garlic, as many as you like. These are kind of small cloves, but I'm going for, I don't know, a tablespoon or so. I'm gonna also go ahead and slice open a couple of lemons for our chicken. Right on the stove it goes. We'll give it some heat, and then we're gonna make the sauce right in here. So we're gonna start by adding in some cream. How bad could that be, right? Then we're gonna go ahead and add in all of that chopped garlic, so it sort of perfumes the cream. So we'll finish off with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. All right, let me get a spoon. Look at that. So then we'll just take some of the sauce and we'll baste it right over the chicken like this. All right, so the last thing I wanna do is just gonna get some scallions chopped to go on top of our chicken. Look at that. Broccolini and fennel. I'm just gonna finish with a little squeeze of lemon right over top like that. Just to wake up the flavor right at the end. A little taste in here with the broccolini. Oh boy, look at that. Perfectly roasted, right? Not overdone. Lovely crisp to the vegetable. But I gotta tell you something, that little bit of lemon juice is like perfect on these vegetables. How bad could this be, right? And let me see what this is going for. I already know it's gonna be good, but. And it's keto. You gotta give it a try. Very simple, all right? Recipes like this, you know what they're gonna be. Website, DariusCooks.tv. There's two things I want to tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life is my food. Until next time. I gotta wish you a happy cooking. From my heart to yours.